self-leveling in the Trimble X7 came from the need of having no compromise on this system. If you take the systems that exist today, you need to have physically leveled your instrument, so you compromise accuracy for productivity. The benefit of this self-leveling system is that you really have your productivity to the maximum. As soon as it's roughly level, then you're gonna get the 3 arc-second accuracy, which is a fantastic accuracy for a laser scanner and optical instrument in general. You know, when you're doing like 150 scans a day, you don't want to spend too much time to just level your instrument. Here you don't have to do that, but still, you get a very high survey grade leveling accuracy. And we wanted to find a system that is actually not having any compromise, and that's what we got.